Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: the account email, payment method, and the next billing date so you know the cutoff. Once done, decide whether you subscribe directly on Iqiyi or through App Store, Google Play, or another provider. That determines where you cancel. Now sign in on the Iqiyi website or open the app and go straight to your profile or account settings. Make sure you are using the account that is being billed so you don't cancel the wrong subscription. Next, navigate to Account then Membership or Subscriptions to find the active plan and renewal date. This is where cancel controls live. Once you see the active subscription, tap Manage or Cancel and read any on-screen consequences like end-of-period access. If the cancel button is missing, that usually means a third-party biller handled the subscription. In that case, open the App Store or Google Play subscriptions page and manage the Iqiyi subscription. Finish by completing the on-screen cancellation flow and wait for a confirmation message or email. That proves you canceled. Once confirmed, check the final charge date and note when service access ends so you aren't surprised. After canceling, uninstall the app if you want and monitor your bank or store receipts to ensure no further charges appear. If something goes wrong, no confirmation or charges continue, contact Iqiyi support and your payment provider with the transaction ID. That troubleshooting step usually resolves stuck cancellations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.